Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a MetaTrader 5 real account. So basically, what you need to do if you come here to manage account and you try to add one with the broker, let's say a derivative broker or XNES, you'll see right here you can choose these options. Okay, let's do this one. But to open a real account, this one is locked because additional identification is required. So these type of brokers, what you need to do is go to their actual website. So go to Deriv right here, and then you open an account through the website. So click here, open account, and you're going to open a real account through this website. You enter your email, you can sign up with Google, and then you come here, okay, to MetaTrader 5, you log into your existing account. Once you've created, you get your login and your password. You choose your server. In this case, it would be Deriv FX server or 02 or 03, whatever you're assigned. These are the real account servers. You save your password and you log in. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.